Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick and short one. No vlogging. I just want to try out some of the suggestions you guys gave me in the comment section of my last video. I guess, yeah, my last video, the one I showed you guys where Caleb messed up my couch table in the living room. So I want to try out one of the suggestions you guys gave to me. A lot of people keep saying I should use a dish liquid soap with water and then with a rag to try to get it off the couch, you know, to see if it will work. And some other people were suggesting things that I don't have at hand that needs to be bought from the supermarket. So I'm not going to the supermarket anytime soon, so I want to try the one I have already. Then if it doesn't work, I might probably go to the supermarket and look for other ones. And then some people also suggested that I should contact the people we bought the couch from so that they can give me suggestions. They might probably help me to, you know what to do. So but I'm going to try this one first. Then if it doesn't work, then we'll try other options as well. And I also want to quickly say something before I show you guys whether the thing worked or not. I got some comments, not some comments, probably just one person that left me a comment. The person said why you don't watch your kids instead of always thinking of food. Like, come on. Come on. When it comes to looking after my kids, nobody else, I mean it, I don't know about you, but for me, nobody else watches over their kids more than I do. Like, I don't take my eyes off my kids. What happened that day? I know I don't really owe you guys any explanation, but I want you to know what caused that. My husband gave the kids paper and the pen to write, and they were writing. So all of a sudden, one of them, either Joshua or Favor, collected Caleb's paper. So he was very angry. I was in the room discussing something with my husband. We don't give it to them and just take off and take our eyes off them. No, we always make sure we watch them closely until they are done writing, because we don't want them to write on the wall nor any other place in the house. So they were writing. I was in the room discussing with my husband about something. So when we heard the cry, they were shouting, dragging the paper and all of that. Before my husband could come out, he saw that with that anger, Caleb has already written on his body, the body he was wearing that day, and also wrote on the table. That was exactly what happened. Look, don't come in the comment section and tell me I should watch over my kids. You don't know how I watch over my kids. Like, people that know me can testify of that. I look after them. Like, anywhere they are, I keep my eyes on them. Okay? So I just want to, get that aside. As for thinking of food, if I don't think of food, will I be thinking of you? I don't even see where I was talking about food much in that video. Like, thinking of what I will eat, what I will eat. Come on, guys. Think before you write or before you talk. So I just wanted to quickly say this to let you guys know what really happened, why Caleb did what he did. But I was not aware of what happened. It was my husband that saw it. He was telling me, but I didn't quite understand what he was saying. So it was later that I saw it. And to those of you that were saying Caleb should start going to school already, the law here says that the child must reach the age of 3 before he or she starts school. So Caleb is definitely not the age of 3, so he's not going to school. Now, if you want your child to start school before the age of 3, maybe you are a working mom, nobody to stay at home with your child or whatever, there's a place you can register the child and they will be taking care of the child, and you will have to be paying as well. It's not free. So I'm at home, I'm not going to work, so why will I have to go and register him? There's no point, you know, when I'm at home, there's no point registering him at school. So that's why he's staying with me until he's up to 3 years old. That's when he will start school. I hope you guys are cleared now. All right, so I'm going to show you guys now. Let's try it together and see if it will work or not. By the way, Caleb is there. He's watching cartoon. So my table is down here with me. This is the table, as you guys can see. And with me here, I have my microfiber cloth. And here is a mixture of water, dish liquid soap, and white vinegar. So I'm going to spray it in just, maybe I will use this part. If it works, then I will use it all over the couch. If not, then we'll find something else. So I'm going to start from here. I don't think I should spray it direct, or let's try. I don't think it's coming off. Some people also suggested that I should sprinkle a little bit of baking soda, so I'm going to try that one as well. I have it with me here. This, you see. So I'm going to try it and see if it will work with this one. And then spray this thing again. Then scrub. I think this one works better. Hold on guys, I think this one works better. Did you see that? Okay, let me keep trying. When I'm done, I will show you guys the final look. Guys, I'm tired. I'm tired of scrubbing. Oh, look at my towel. But look at this, guys. Don't you think that this thing is working? I didn't finish all of them. Like here now, I did not touch this side, and this part I didn't touch it as well. You can see. So once it dries now, I will see how it will look. But so far so good, guys. Look. Don't mind the color. This is just water. You know, I sprayed water here, so it's still wet. This side, nothing here. Wow. it didn't really go out entirely. As you can see, there are some marks there, but it looks better than how it was looking before. So I'm tired of scrubbing. Oh, I'm going to beg hubby to help me clean it once he wakes up. He's sleeping because he came back from work, from night duty, so he's having his own night sleep. Guys, I'm tired though. I'm so tired. So thank you guys so much for this wonderful suggestion. I never even thought of that. We'll try to scrub it more harder, though you need to, you know, apply more pressure, more effort in scrubbing it, like more muscle. So I'm breathing so fast now because I'm tired. Some of you already know my condition, that's why I'm tired already. I'll ask hubby to use his manpower to scrub it. I believe it will go out, but so far so good. It looks so much better than how it was looking before. Thank you guys for this suggestion. I really appreciate you guys. You know, if I hadn't posted that video, I would probably not have gotten all these awesome suggestions that you guys gave me in the comment section. I know some people are not, you know, might probably be saying, why do you have to post this video? It doesn't make sense. Or I know why I posted it. Okay, so you can see that in this platform we are here to help each other. I give you my own idea, you bring your own idea, and then we can work together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.